talking about is the snow. So far, Chicago has had 45.2 inches of snow this season alone. Last year, remember, just a scant 22 at this point. And with all the snow this season comes the problem and the fears of roofs caving in. Jorma Duran is live in Plainfield, Illinois with that story tonight. And Jorma, has it really been a common occurrence there this season?
Yeah, it is a common occurrence every winter season. This season, maybe a little bit more because there have been 28 measurable snow days since December 1st. And many homeowners don't realize that every time it snows, the potential for an ice dam exists. What is an ice dam? Well, basically, it's a collection of ice that forms on the outer edges of your rooftop. And if you don't notice it and remove it, the potential for water getting underneath your shingles and into your home is very likely.
To rake your rooftop seems odd, but during the winter season, it's a smart thing to do.
You start to get the melting from the top.
Ryan Hagan and his crew routinely remove rooftop snow. The goal is to stop ice dams from forming, which can cause serious home destruction.
We've gotten calls where chandeliers have fallen inside the home and, thousands and thousands of dollars worth of damage.
Hagan says when snow collects on the roof, it goes through a series of melting and refreezing cycles due to outside temperatures and the heat that's coming from inside the home. This repetitive process can turn dangerous.
The heating from inside your home will go ahead and melt the snow from the peak of your roof downward. And as you get to the eaves of your house, the eaves of your house aren't getting any of that warming from inside your home. So a ridge of ice and snow will form there. And as that snow and water starts to melt and move down, it hits that ridge of ice, and it can leak inside your home, causing a lot of mold issues and damage.
A lot of snow that, if not removed often, could melt, seep inside the home, and cause quite a homeowner headache, many times coming as a surprise.
It's an emergent situation most of the time, where there's tons of leaking in the house. It's usually during the middle of the night. There's nobody else to call, and they give us a call, and we're able to come out and take care of it.
A cheap but effective way to remove snow from your roof, which would then ultimately stop an ice dam to form, is with a roof rake. They're pretty inexpensive. Like I said before, about $10 to $40, and go a long way to stop water from seeping into your home. Alexandra?
Well, what about the cold this season? Temperatures have really been up and down so dramatically in Chicago.
Well, they're not handling it very well, and it's making this situation even worse because when you have 28 snow days, well, then all those snow days, all that moisture starts to melt, and that just builds that ice dam even that much more. And so I think for the most part, and I'm not going to, well, I guess I am going to speak for everybody. We're kind of sick of winter. We can't wait till the warmer weather starts arriving here in the Chicagoland area.
For locals.
That's right. That's right. I want the summertime.
Yeah, exactly. Jorma Duran live for us from Chicago tonight. Thanks a lot, Chicago and Jorma. And also